In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bill in Zoho Books. This process ensures that you keep all your financial records up to date and accurate, which is crucial for managing your business expenses effectively. So, let's dive into the steps and make sure you understand each part of this procedure. First, you'll need to access the Bills section in Zoho Books. Begin by logging into your Zoho Books account. This serves as the starting point for managing all your financial documents. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar where you will see a menu. Click on Purchases, and from the drop-down list, select Bills. In the Bills section, you have two options to start adding a new bill. You can either click on the plus new button located in the top right corner of the screen, or if you prefer quick access, you can use the Quick Create icon, the little plus sign, right next to the Bills menu item. This feature is designed to make your experience as seamless and efficient as possible. Now let's move on to entering the bill details. The first step here is to specify the vendor name. You can either select an existing vendor from the list or add a new one if it's a first-time transaction. Next is the bill numbers, which is essentially the unique identifier assigned by your vendor. Enter this carefully to avoid any confusion later. Following that, you'll enter the bill date and due date. These fields are important for tracking when the bill was issued and when it needs to be paid. If you want an even simpler method, you can use the Payment Terms feature. This will automatically calculate and set the due date for you. Don't forget to enter the order number linked to any corresponding purchase orders, ensuring all your records are cross-referenced effectively. Now, on to adding line items, where you'll enter details for each item or service listed on the bill. Here, you'll fill in the description, quantity, and rate of each item. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the total for you, so you don't need to worry about manual arithmetic. It's also crucial to select the correct accounts for each line item, ensuring that everything is accounted for accurately. If there are any taxes, discounts, or notes applicable, make sure you add them at this point. You have the option to include more line items by clicking plus, add another line, or, if needed, add items in bulk, which is particularly useful if you're dealing with numerous products or services. Finally, once you've double-checked all the information, it's time to save the bill. You can do this by clicking either Save as Draft or Save as Open. Saving it as an open bill will ensure it is visible in your financial reports and reflects accurately in your accounting records. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on recording a bill in Zoho Books. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to maintain precise and up-to-date financial records, crucial for the smooth operation of any business. Happy accounting!